Hey, what's up, YouTube? Alright, so I'm here with a student. She's gonna do her driving test.
Hello.
Tomorrow.
Yes.
So we're doing our last run through for tomorrow. Before I get into the video, again, I'm going to ask you guys to go to my YouTube store and buy something from the store. So I have merch in the store now. I have the hats in black, blue, and white. I have hoodies, I have t-shirts, I have bags, I have phone cases. There's a lot of things in the store. So just go to the YouTube on the channel and click on the store link, and just buy something from the store. Anything just to support the channel. Alright? That's that. So now I'm going to ask you guys to subscribe if you haven't already. I mean, again, YouTube just told me that I have over 100,000 watch hours. So I just need the subscribers to match the hours, right? So jump on and subscribe if you haven't already. Alright, so we're gonna run through. They're gonna ask you, by the way, if you're parked facing uphill, what direction do you turn the steering wheel?
You turn left away from the curb. You're gonna put the car in park, pull up the emergency brake, and turn off the ignition.
Sweet. Alright, go ahead, do your turn signal. Signal left, signal right, blow the horn, press and release the brake. Again, they're doing that to make sure that the brake lights are working, the horns are working, the turn signal lights are working. If any of those things are not working, they will not take you out in the car. Alright? So they're gonna tell you to reverse from here and go to the left. Well, they're gonna tell you to go to the right, so reverse to the left.
Okay.
look both ways here as you back out. And we're gonna turn left right about here. When the mirror gets to the end of the line, turn in all the way left. Okay, so the other video that we did, we went right or left, you remember?
I think we went left. Okay. No, we went right.
We went right? You sure?
I believe so. We did both.
But I'm talking about on the actual video. I'm not sure. So anyway, we're gonna do the right this time, because I don't think we did the right last time. But even if we did, it's whatever. Make a right turn. Just because they can go either way, you feel me? So it don't make a difference. It's that different outfit and thing and thing. See? Come to a complete stop here. And you look both ways, make sure it's clear. And then go ahead and make it right. Stay close to your right side now. You don't want to go too much into the middle.
Okay.
Alright. Alright, go ahead and make it right. Go around the corner.
I was watching the other video, and then you were telling her to make sure she passes the curb. So I was
before,
like, oh, yeah.
Make sure your mirror is past the curb, so your back wheel won't hit the curb. That is important, because people fail their tests all the time for running over the curb with their back wheel.
Oh Lord.
So you have to make sure that your mirror is past the curb first. Alright, so we're gonna go straight. Wait for these two cars. I'm actually going to video that. I have that in a bunch of videos, but I didn't do it in the last video, so I'm going to actually do that. Why are they stopped right there? What's going on? No. Alright, go ahead, your turn. And this gimbal has been kind of doing whatever it wants to. Alright, so we're gonna make the right turn as soon as we pass these fire hydrants. And so slow down so I can show what I mean. So when you get up to the curb, right? Go ahead. You're making it right. But you see the mirror here. You want to make sure the mirror is past the curb first. You see, the mirror has to be past the curb before you turn. Turn all the way. That means when your mirror is past the curb, then your back wheel will not hit the curb. You feel me? So yeah, that's that. Yeah, I've seen so many people fail their driving test because they turn too early and the back wheel just right over the curb. And then that's the end of their test. Yeah, and they're like, oh, they tricked me. That's what they always say. They always say they tricked me. I'm like, how? When they tell me to turn and I hit the curb.
Well, you hit the curb.
They didn't tell you to hit the curb. And stop right here. Alright, so now we're gonna speed up to 20 and do the sudden stop. That's the quick stop. So go ahead, push it down fast. And stop. Stop sudden.
Oh, okay.
Like that. Yeah.
Gotcha. I don't want to jerk you up too much.
Yeah, that's what the test is. Go back,
Okay.
straight back. Look behind and just roll straight back. And then they'll tell you when to stop. Okay, that's good. Stop about here. So now we're going to do the 3-point turn. So you signal left, turn all the way left. You're going to go forward, put in drive. You're going to stop before you cross the line over there.
They coming.
That's the same slow people? Go ahead. I think they're waiting.
Okay.
Keep going up.
Right here is
A
good?
little bit more, just a touch. I mean, it's a wide space, so you don't have to go that much. If you have
Okay.
and put it in reverse all the way to the right. Look over your left shoulder. And you're going to go back until your mirror is past the middle of the space.
So right here is good?
Yeah, like right there is good. Now put the car back in drive. And we're going to go to the stop sign and make a left turn. Straight up. Signal left. Alright, so you come to a complete stop here, and then you creep out to where you can actually see clearly down the road. Okay, that's good. So you're making a left and then a quick left, but make sure you go into your right lane here, and then make a left turn again. And they have the cones over on this side, so we're gonna park over here, just because the cones are here. So I can actually show my parking formula as I usually do. So stay close to your right side. The closer you are to the right, the easier it is to park. So now we're going to come up here and line up the mirror with the first cone. You see it? And then signal left, turn all the way left. And when you get into the middle of the space, you're going to straighten the wheel and pull straight in. And you see you're using the ones across there to help you. You're good. I don't know why you're changing
Okay. It
again.
looked like
Straighten
it was a little bit crooked.
No, it was good actually. Yeah,
Okay.
that's good. Alright, so now we're going to reverse straight back. When your mirror is past the end of the line, or past the cones, you're going to turn all the way left because you're going to the right. So, like about here, turn all the way left. Look behind. Okay, that's good. So we're going to go down to the end and we're going to treat this like a stop sign, even though there is no stop sign there. There's supposed to be a stop sign there. So, stop completely. 1, 2, 3. Wait for this. So these guys, these Jamaican guys, these are all like mechanics, and they come out here. If you live down here and you have your car to fix, and you want to fix it on the cheap, you just pull up over here, buy your parts, and these guys will fix it for you. Most of them are pretty decent mechanics. Alright, so go ahead and make a left turn, and another left turn. In the actual test, they would have you parking over here, but because the cones are over there, you know what I'm saying? So again, we're going to stop completely and then keep out the way you can actually see. Both ways. Make sure it's clear down there and clear down here. Alright, so now we're gonna go to the stop sign and stop, and we're gonna go across and park. Alright, look both ways, go straight across. Yeah, I was watching the video and I'm like, my hand in the phone. I was like, what the hell? That's how my videos looked when I first started. I never used the phone, right? Mm-hmm. I had a
No, there's a big pothole there.
I had a GoPro, but I didn't have a gimbal. You feel me? So it was like shaky like that. I was like, damn, that's how my videos used to look. Straight now. And you know what's funny? I had bought a gimbal for the cell phone, and I gave it to the student that said she wanted to do a YouTube channel, because I usually don't use the phone to make videos.
I mean, yeah, the tripod is much easier to manage.
Yeah, the gimbal, this thing is smooth. You see how it turns?
Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah. All right, so how you think you did?
I think I did better than the last time.
You certainly did. Well, I mean, that's what they say. Practice makes perfect. So
true,
yeah, you did good. So I'm expecting you to get 100%.
That's the goal.
That is the goal. Yeah. All right. So yeah, you guys see how she did. She did great. So I expect her to do just as well tomorrow on the actual test. So